Welcome to AntMyERP. This video will explain the use of Loan Repair Register system. Go to the Service module. Click on the Reports. Click on Loan/Repair Register. Here it is shown how to use and track it. All the devices that have been taken in and out are visible here. The terms in and out signify in for repair and out for standby, demo or repair. Click on Demo 2. The company's name will be displayed here. Click on it. All the devices are visible here. Whether it has been taken from the vendor or customer, it has to be returned. Here the invoice number is seen. What date the invoice was taken. What the name of the customer was. Whom has this property come from? Current location. Name of the product. Serial number. And the return date. In case an engineer visits the customer and finds the device beyond repair, the device needs to be collected. Then it is taken in for repair immediately. As it is entered, it appears in the Loan Repair Register. Under the name of the company, there are so many devices that have to be returned. When it is taken in, then it is decided when it will be returned. The date is seen here. What date it has to be returned. And how many days it has been delayed. This shows how many devices have been picked up from the customer and have been returned. For example, the customer is given a standby, and the device is picked from there for repair. The standby is used in returning the device that was picked up for repair. To track this, go to Loan Repair Register. The second option is Other. It shows how many devices have been given to the customer or vendor to repair, standby or demo which have to be returned. Here the outward number will be shown. Date will be shown. Company name will be shown. The customer. The supplier. Here the type of the company will be shown. The location of the customer. The product serial number. The number of days delayed. And the return date. This device was given to the customer on this date. It had to be returned on 31st. But it has not been taken yet. It is possible that it's given standby. Unless the device is picked up, it will not be returned. This way, how many devices are there, how many devices have to be returned can be checked. This is the use of Loan Repair Register. Which device is where? And which device has been picked up from the customer? And which device has been given to the vendor for repair, standby or demo can be tracked through the Loan Repair Register. Thank you.